Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about these breast milk storage bags by Willow. But first I want to preface that I'm a mom of 5 with one on the way and I breastfed all of them. So I've had my fair share of using breast milk storage bags and I must say I am impressed. And just over the last 13 years, breast milk storage bags have come a long way and I am just loving these. So not only does it have this perforated edge at the top that you can just tear off, that shows that this is like sanitary inside, right? It hasn't been used before. And then just has a regular like Ziploc type of closure there. You can do the name, date, and the amount that's in there. It also, on the bottom, I'll fill it with liquid and show y'all. It can stand up on its own. And then when you go to use it, instead of just opening this top part again and pouring it and it gets messy, you can cut this little section off here and just pour the milk into a bottle for your baby. Okay, as you can see here, I've just filled just regular tap water in here and it's up almost to the 7-ounce line. When I go to close these, I usually try to get most of that air out of there. I don't know if it's a common sense thing or if it's just something that I do, but it's what I do. It can stand up like this on its own, or you can lay it down and have it freeze like that in the freezer. When you want to go and use it, you just cut that little piece off and then pour however much you need into the bottle. Right now I have that opening is actually really small. So you might find that you need to adjust, snip a little more off and adjust that way. But oh my gosh, y'all, that is so much easier to pour than through this green part up here. Because it would just, if you've ever done it, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, there you have it. The Willow breast milk storage bag, very good quality, very good. Let me just say what I mean by very good real quick. On the edges here, I don't know if it'll show up on the video very well, but you can tell like there's a thick layer of where the two plastic sides meet and are pinched together, melted together, whatever, to ensure that it's not gonna leak. About 13 years ago, like the most popular in-your-face breast milk storage bags leaked ridiculous, like crazy. You might as well just get like, you know, just like those sandwich bags from the store, and that's how the sides, how thin that was on the side. So they leaked very easily. And so with these, I don't suspect you'd have a whole lot of spilt milk to cry over. So 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.